The Sprint Backlog is one of the three core artifacts in Scrum, alongside the Product Backlog and the Increment. It represents the collection of tasks and Product Backlog Items, or PBIs, that the Scrum team commits to completing within a single sprint, usually lasting 1 to 4 weeks. It provides a focused and actionable plan for delivering value in the short term. How the Sprint Backlog is created. The Sprint Backlog is formed during the sprint planning meeting. The team collaborates to select the most important PBIs from the Product Backlog and defines a sprint goal, a clear objective to guide the sprint. The selected items are then broken down into smaller tasks, such as coding, testing, or writing documentation, which are added to the Sprint Backlog. Contents of the Sprint Backlog. Beyond just user stories, the Sprint Backlog includes detailed tasks, estimates, the sprint goal, and sometimes technical notes or dependencies. It may also include test cases or acceptance criteria to ensure all work aligns with the definition of done, helping maintain consistent quality standards throughout the development process. Ownership and responsibility. The development team owns the Sprint Backlog. Once the sprint begins, no one outside the team can change its contents. The product owner may offer clarifications, but the team manages the day-to-day work independently. This autonomy ensures that the team can stay focused and work without external interruptions. Evolving nature of the backlog. The Sprint Backlog is a living document that can be updated as needed during the sprint. If new insights arise or adjustments are required to complete the sprint goal, the team can reorganize tasks or add new ones. However, new Product Backlog items should not be added unless they directly support the sprint goal. Daily stand-ups and progress tracking. Teams use the Sprint Backlog during the daily Scrum to inspect progress and update their plan. Tasks are moved across columns like to do in progress and done on physical or digital boards. This daily visibility helps detect blockers early and keeps everyone aligned on who's doing what. Tools and implementation. Tools for managing sprint backlogs include Jira, Azure DevOps, and Trello. These platforms help teams track time estimates, priorities, dependencies, and status. Regardless of the tool, the goal remains the same: to provide a transparent, up-to-date view of the team's plan for the sprint.